Strawberry Farm is not Baguio. Stubosa is not Baguio. And Trading Post is not Baguio. If you are a tourist or a visitor here and saying that these tourist attractions are in Baguio, then you, my friend, you're wrong. It is in here, in a valley called La Trinidad. And La Trinidad is a municipality. And of course, this is the capital of Benguet province. While Baguio City is a chartered city, the reason why it is misidentified is because it's a very short distance from the heart of Baguio. Kasi nga naman, less than a 10 kilometer, nandito ka na sa Trinidad at 30-minute drive lang siya. And did you know that La Trinidad is the salad capital of the Philippines? Because in this town, this is one of the most busiest vegetable trading in the Philippines. And Baguio Beans is not literally from Baguio. It's from Dun. At alam nyo ba na ganito kagandang sasakyan, nagbubuhat lang ng gulay dito sa Trinidad?
Hello, siya ni Jumawang Ringo from Baguio, La Trinidad Benguet. Dito sa mga karkarda itinatong from Trading Post.
Yan ang tagabuhat ng gulay dito sa Trinidad. Lola, where is Lola from?
I am from here.
Here?
In Wangal.
Wangal.
Yes.
Lola.
My brother in Nagilian don't buy vegetable.
Oh, so Lola is a vegetable dealer.
Yes.
Wow,
Yes.
yes. Thank you, Lola. Okay.
I will go.
Stubosa is an artwork of houses, and to build this artwork, the residents are the one who gave themselves to paint their houses, and of course, Davis to give the materials na kailangan para magawa yung napakagandang artwork. And of course, strawberry fields for anyone to enjoy picking.
Stubosa is not Baguio.
Trading Post is not Baguio.
Strawberry Farm is not Baguio.
And to summarize it all, guys, La Trinidad is not Baguio City. So the next time that you're going to visit these places, ask, where is La Trinidad? And again, see you guys in the next video.